Okay guys, you're seeing it at the same time I am. Don't mind the baby chicks and ducklings in the background. Well, it's packaged a whole lot better than the Holdwell was. I'll show you a picture of that. Got some weight to it. Now this is the 8-inch stroke model, which is what I was needing. This will be the tilt. Well, first impressions, it's a cast eyelet. Doesn't seem to come unscrewed. A few dings in the paint. Some oil residue from where they filled it, but that's all stuff you expect. The motor seems plenty bulky. I think it'll do fantastic for what I need it to do.